Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Subaru Outback door panel. First, gather your essential tools: a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your window is fully rolled down. This provides better access and prevents damage. Take a moment to identify all the visible screws and trim pieces holding the panel in place before you begin. Now, let's start removing the fasteners. Begin by carefully prying off the small plastic cover located behind the door handle using your small flathead screwdriver. Once exposed, remove the Phillips head screw found inside that door handle recess. Next, use your plastic trim tool to gently pry up the window switch panel. Disconnect its electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. With the initial fasteners out, check for any remaining screws, which are often hidden in the armrest or door pull area. Once all screws are removed, use your plastic trim tool to carefully work your way around the entire perimeter of the door panel. Gently pry outwards to release the plastic retaining clips. After all clips are free, lift the entire door panel straight upwards to clear the window channel, then pull it away. Before fully detaching the panel, you'll need to disconnect any remaining electrical connectors, such as those for speakers or courtesy lights. Also, carefully unclip the door handle cable from its mechanism on the panel. Now, you have full access to perform your repairs or access components. Reassembly is simply the reverse of these steps. For a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.